Perfect, yeah. Nice. What's up, everybody? Dr. Bo here, your San Diego chiropractor. And what I want you to do, so you're gonna have your feet about shoulder width apart. You're gonna march in place like this, and then you're gonna close your eyes. Okay, so march like this, close your eyes, and you keep your eyes closed, and then you're just gonna stand there and look straight ahead. Cool, and then stop marching. Awesome, and I'm just gonna take your hair, we're gonna throw it right in the middle here. Awesome, so if someone is coming in with scoliosis, you can more likely not guess that there's gonna be some sort of imbalances that are occurring in their body. And if we take a look at her, you're gonna see that this right trap is going lower down. This left one is gonna be coming higher up. Cool, and if we take a look at her hips here as well, we're gonna notice that that left hip is gonna be higher up than the right. And then the glute, fairly even, maybe the right one just a little higher up compared to that left one. Awesome, so go ahead and lie face down for me, please. Perfect. Michelle, you're just gonna take big, deep breaths in and out for me. You're gonna relax all the way. Perfect. And her legs are coming in even, which is awesome to see. They're gonna remain even in that second position as well. So the first thing that we wanna feel for is motion to see if there's any imbalances that are occurring. And in her case, when we feel from side to side, this right side, lower SI joint, we feel some restriction there, and this upper side here. Is that it's a little more difficult for these vertebrae to rotate to the left compared to the right. So we're taking all that information into account, and it's going to allow us to give a more specific adjustment. Is that tender here or here on you? A little bit. Yeah. Straighten that bottom leg. Perfect. And then we're going to go ahead, bring that right there. You're gonna breathe out all the way for me. Let everything relax. Amazing, let that relax, yes. Whoa. Wow, how's the first adjustment?
Oh my God, that was good.
That was good? Okay. Should we proceed with the adjustments then?
Yes.
Okay, good, go face up. So you can tell that was a big release. How long has it been since your last adjustment?
Probably like 2 months.
2 months, okay. So all that tension building up. Let's have this side facing me. Good. We're gonna have that all the way relaxed there. And then for her lumbar spine, we had issues with rotation, so we're gonna get these moving and grooving this way. You're gonna breathe out all the way for me. Perfect, yeah. Nice. Well done. Okay, and then you're gonna go face up for me. Get to relax there. And go big hug. Take a big deep breath in right here and then all the way out. Nice. One more just a little bit lower.
That's good.
Oh my goodness. I think someone's excited to get their neck adjusted.
Oh yeah.
So we're just gonna loosen that up a little bit here on her. And we're gonna give her a powerful adjustment. She's a little bit higher up here, right around C4, C5. So everything all the way relaxed.
Ooh, yeah.
Whoa.
Dang, that was a lot. That was good.
Good. Let that relax. Focus on dropping that shoulder. Wow. Whew. That was good. Are you ready to become a YouTube celebrity after that pop?
Oh yeah, that was great.
Awesome. We're just massaging her upper neck here a little bit, just getting a little myofascial release. My goodness. I'm going to do one more move on here. Let that relax.
Oh, yeah.
Whew. That's the ringer dinger without the towel. Come on up.
Woo.
Swing the legs on over that way.
Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We got Jamal back in here with us today for his third adjustment here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. Jamal's coming here from Las Vegas, Nevada, and he took a big gamble to come here and get treated by me. Just a little more. There we go. Okay. Jamal, Jamal's got some excellent weather here in Houston this week.
Oh,
Nice
yeah.
and cool out.
Beautiful.
Kind of like Las Vegas weather, huh? Not so humid. Got a little more humid yesterday, though. Nice deep breath in. There it is. Yes, sir. I know you felt that one all the way down, didn't you? There we go.
Definitely.
Well, I was going to say, you're not ticking. They're going to get all over that one. Okay, let me have you here. There you go. Just like that, my friend. Then, here we go.
Oh, that was even easier. It gets easier getting up too.
It does. Yeah. Yep. Are you sleeping any better yet?
Yes, sir. I am.
Cool. Your left leg's still coming up short by about 1/4 of an inch. Still gets even. That probably still tightens up a little bit in your low back and your thighs. I'm going to go ahead and get this left SI and your right SI. Sacrum. L5. L4. L3. L2. All the way up into L1. Oh yeah. There. That's where I get my workout in big guys like Jamal. We had a 450-pound patient in here yesterday.
Wow.
Yeah, that was a big wow for me too. There you go. Good. Okay, let's turn you on your back, please. You're moving a little easier. Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay, slide down this way about 1/2 inch. That's good. Now put both on. There. There we go. Okay. Well, you still got some restrictions on that lateral movement of your hip joint, though.
But it's even. But it moved out a little
It
easier
did move
this
a little
time.
easier. Yeah, I didn't have to
Do as much.
work so hard. There we go. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, let me help you. There we go. There. Yep. There we go. And that's it. Jamal wouldn't let me have that on Monday.
No. I was holding tight.
You let him go now that you know I'm not going to rip your head off. All right, let's see you back up here. That won't shoot you now. You're still in Houston.
Definitely moving a lot better.
Yes, sir. Okay. Let's hold these guys back. Wear these guys like this. And we're going to bring that head straight back. There we go. Okay. Now, try that again, Jamal. This should feel even smoother.
Oh yeah.
So, speaking in Las Vegas terms, you took a big gamble coming here.
Absolutely. Roll the dice.
Yep. And has it paid off in a jackpot for you?
Yes.
It's a jackpot.
Jackpot.
Would you mind sharing with our crack addicts worldwide about your experience here this week?
Amazing experience. I came 3 times, and you see a major difference within just 3 visits. A lot of times you go to chiropractic, they tell you, oh, you got to come 30, 40 times, come for a year. I feel major results already in 3 visits. So,
Yep.
hey, ring
stuff.
dinger, definitely.
It works,
Yes,
doesn't it?
definitely.
It's definitely the real deal.
It's the real deal.
Yep. And if you don't believe me, you're going to feel it all the way down too.
Yeah.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, with Jamal from Las Vegas, Nevada. We'll see y'all soon.